Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in home technology. Today, we're diving into the Hotpoint Cleanprotect TS6477CCPNE. A sleek and spacious hob that promises to make your cooking experience a breeze. Let's jump right in. First off, let's talk about design. The Hotpoint Cleanprotect TS6477CCPNE boasts a 77 cm width, giving you ample space for all your pots and pans. Unlike traditional hobs, this one spreads everything out, making maneuvering around the kitchen a breeze. And speaking of maneuverability, the intuitive touch slider controls make adjusting the settings a cinch. With 18 individual settings plus a power boost option, you have full control over your cooking experience. But what really sets this hob apart is its Cleanprotect surface. Thanks to a special nano coating, cleaning up spills and stains is a breeze. No need for harsh chemicals, just a quick soak and wipe, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk performance. The Hotpoint Cleanprotect TS6477CCPNE may not be the fastest at boiling water, but it more than makes up for it with its clever automated cooking modes. From boiling to melting, this hob has you covered. And for those concerned about safety, fear not. Each burner has its own dedicated off button, giving you peace of mind when it comes to power control. In conclusion, the Hotpoint Cleanprotect TS6477CCPNE is a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen. With its spacious design, intuitive controls, and easy-to-clean surface, it's a win-win all around. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy cooking!